Hi, my name is Bharat Rastogi. I'm a postdoctoral scholar at Ceres, working in support of NOAA. I work with the Global Monitoring Lab in the Carbon Cycle Greenhouse Gases Group. And I've been with Ceres now for about 2.5 years. I was an undergrad major in college. I'm from India and I studied at Delhi University, studied chemistry. And following which I have two master's degrees in environmental sciences and in geography from the University of California at Barbara. And then that led me to my PhD in the Department of Forest Ecosystems and Society at Oregon State University. Growing up in India, I witnessed a lot of environmental degradation and its unequal impacts on people. Combined that with a love of nature and plants that was inculcated fairly early on. I also started learning about climate change, which is somewhat of an invisible sort of pollution or pollutant. And that led me to wonder about how ecosystems are changing in times of changing climates. That led me to graduate school where I studied plant physiology and plant ecophysiology, trying to understand relationship of the carbon cycle with climate, which sort of led me to my current work at NOAA, where we try and understand how the carbon cycle is responding to changes in climate. My work involves a lot of computer-based modeling and data analysis. And so in a typical day, I usually am at my desk coding or writing or doing some analysis, thinking sometimes. And I look forward to my meetings. I usually have weekly meetings about my project and other meetings about other projects. And one of the nicest parts of being a postdoc with this lab is the amazing breadth of research that goes on here and being involved with that, getting insights into lots of different projects, collaborating with really amazing people across disciplines. And also I found living in Boulder to be quite a privilege. It's really, up against the mountains, and for people like myself who really like walking in the trees and walking on the trails, there's a lot to do here. And so I've had a really good combination of work-life balance in terms of being able to work in areas that I am really enjoying myself in, and also enjoying myself outside of that.